Welcome to Modura Furniture, where high-quality laboratory furniture is our specialty. Our furniture is meticulously crafted using precision machinery and tailored to meet the specific needs of our clients. At Modura Furniture, we take pride in producing export-quality furniture. Our attention to detail and use of high-quality hardware ensure that our furniture meets the highest standards. The powder coating adds durability and a professional finish to our products, making them suitable for a laboratory environment. We understand that every laboratory has unique requirements, which is why we offer customized solutions. Whether you need furniture for a small lab or a 1000 SQ lab, we have the capability to meet your needs. Our efficient assembly process allows us to install 1000 SQ of lab furniture in just one day, minimizing disruption to your operations. When it comes to high-quality laboratory furniture, Modura Furniture is the name to trust. Our commitment to precision, quality, and efficiency sets us apart, ensuring that your laboratory is equipped with furniture that meets your exact specifications.